Hey kiddos, today we are going to be working some more with angles, but today we're also going to be using pattern blocks. Alright, so let's look at number 5 as an example. I'm going to find the pattern block that fits in here, and I know that it's going to be this one. So when I put this down, it fits. What I want to know is the fraction of a whole turn. So if I were to fill this entire shape with these pieces, and it might take a little bit, and it might not be exact, but okay. So that shape is filled. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to count how many pieces that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 it takes to fill that whole shape, but there's only one drawn in. So my fraction of the whole turn would be 1/11. All right, you're going to have some other shapes to do. You are going to have number 8, and that's going to be using a triangle. You're also going to be doing number 1, and you're going to be using the square. Number 2, also using the square. And then I just wanted to point something out about 3 and 4. When you're looking at an entire circle, there are 360 degrees. 360, and for degrees we label it as a little circle up on top, there. Well, if we have the whole circle as 360, if we have what's called a straight angle, it's only half a circle. So if I were to divide 360 in half, I would come up with 180. And I can check that by using my squares. Just remember, a square has a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So there's 90 degrees, and another one is 90 degrees. So, and I know 90 plus 90 is 180. All right, go ahead and do the problems on the next few pages.